Assalamu alaikum everyone. In our last lecture, we discussed the basic criteria for selecting a niche. And today we are going to take this topic even deeper. Before you start, if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe right now. Let's get started. The first thing you must remember, one single word can't be a niche. For example, fashion is not a niche, health is not a niche. You can take micro or nano topics inside these categories, but one generic word alone can never be your niche. Your earnings depend on the smart decision you make today. If you pick the right niche, you will start generating revenue. But if you pick the wrong one, you will waste months. Never select a niche where content doesn't change. For example, Mount Everest height, Quaid-e-Azam biography. These topics don't update, so what new content will you add? This leads to disappointment because there is almost no ranking opportunity. Always try to choose niches where new content keeps coming. For example, Google algorithm updates, Pakistan budgets 2025. These niches grow fast because people are searching for new information daily. Another important term, SERP volatility. This means how frequently search results change. You should target niches where results keep changing. For example, breaking news Pakistan. You should avoid niches where results stay the same. For example, meter to feed converter tool. Because in stable SERPs, Google trusts the existing sites. Ranking become very difficult for beginners. If you want your website to rank quickly, choose a niche where fresh content is necessary. For example, Pakistan news and current affairs. Google loves fresh and updated content. Now, a very important and powerful SEO strategy. Break the news before others. If a new update comes and you publish it first on your website and a little later the same update spread across the internet, then Google sees you as the source of that information. For example, if I publish Draz 11/11 sale before everyone, Google will treat my website as a trust source and give me extra weightage. This is the power of breaking news. These two things will help you rank faster than 90% of new websites. Content freshness and being a newsbreaker. If you follow these rules, no one can stop your website from ranking. Start selecting your niche today and keep all these points in mind. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.